Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Hope 2020 is going amazing for everybody, because mine's complete crap, guys. I'm telling you. Besides that, I got some good news. We got some new spoilers for the February BoxyCharm standard box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was some spoilers for the BoxyCharm Premium March box. Congratulations, Haley Jade. Haley says hi. Thanks for the vid. Well, you're more than welcome, Haley. Honey, I enjoy putting these spoilers out for y'all. I appreciate you coming and taking the time to watch and just support my channel. Thank you so much, Haley. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. Y'all are going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. So guys, before we dive into this madness, I do want to say that, well, my damn internet's off. You know how a snowball starts little, and then the more it rolls down the hill, the bigger and bigger it gets? Well, that's like my problem starting off in 2020, so I do apologize for that, y'all, but I am keeping on top of these spoilers. I don't care if I got to go to the local Wendy's to upload this video. It's going out. But on the good side, guys, let's go ahead and get into these spoilers. So I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'm going to reveal the new spoilers. So first up is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Next up is the Alamore Cosmetics. This is a 3-piece face brush set. Next up is the Luxy Beauty Sponge set. Next up is the Kate Somersville KX Active Concentrate Biomimicking Peptide Serum. Next up is the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And then we have the QMS Intensive Eye Care Cream. Now, guys, I'm going to reveal the new ones. So first up is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. Next is the Pretty Vulgar the Faux Reals Extreme Mascara, and then there is the Q-Veen Studio Matte Lip Stain. And then, last but certainly not least, is the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So guys, of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, the BoxyCharm February regular box is going to have a value of up to $220, guys. You will get 5 of these products in your box. So, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Candy Sass. Candy says, yes, I love the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. I hope we get the primer. Well, you know, Candy, that box is going to be full of Fenty products, and we don't know exactly what products they're going to be, and I can't wait to find out, and I can't wait to reveal them to y'all. And Candy, thank you, honey, so much for coming and watching this video. It really helps me out a lot, love. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that and make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. And guys, I also want to take this moment to thank a few people. I want to thank Lindsay, Maria, Amanda, Steve, and Teresa. Thank you guys so much for donating to my PayPal. No idea how much this helps me out, and you have no idea what it means to me to have people like y'all in my life, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you guys.